How to change a WhatsApp ringtone to a song. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change a WhatsApp ringtone to a song. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Next, tap on Settings from your bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, tap on Sound. From this list, select the tune that you want to have. You can tap on different tunes to play and check them. Once you're done, tap on Save from the top right corner. Your new ringtone will be updated. You can only select a ringtone from the WhatsApp library. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.